Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we make money online. From passive income to full-time careers, AI-powered tools are creating brand new opportunities. And the best part? Many of these methods require little to no upfront investment. In this video, I'll show you 7 of the best AI-powered money-making methods for 2025, including freelancing, automation, content creation, and even investing. Make sure to stick around until the end, because the last method can generate serious income with almost no effort. 1. AI content writing, earn from blogging and freelancing. First on our list is AI-powered content writing. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai can generate high-quality blog posts, articles, and even ebooks in seconds. But how do you make money from this? You can start a blog and monetize it with ads and affiliate marketing. AI can help you quickly generate SEO-friendly content and drive traffic. You can also sell AI-generated content on Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer.com. Businesses and content creators are constantly looking for writers, and AI can help you complete tasks faster. Another way? Create and sell ebooks on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. With AI writing tools, you can publish books without spending months writing them. And if writing isn't your thing, don't worry, our next method requires zero writing skills. 2. AI-powered YouTube automation, no face, no voice, no problem. YouTube is a goldmine for making money online, and now AI makes it easier than ever to run an automated YouTube channel without even showing your face. Here's how. Use Pictory AI to create entire videos from just a script. Use 11 Labs or Muff AI to generate professional voiceovers. Use Canva or Thumbnail AI to create click-worthy thumbnails. Upload videos, monetize with ads and sponsorships, and watch the income roll in. Many YouTube automation channels make thousands per month using AI-generated content. The key is choosing a profitable niche. Finance, motivation, tech, and storytelling channels work best. 3. AI image and art creation, sell AI-generated designs. AI is revolutionizing digital art, and now anyone can create and sell professional-looking designs. With AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Leonardo AI, you can generate stunning artwork, illustrations, and graphics in seconds. Ways to make money. Sell AI-generated posters, digital prints, and designs on Etsy or Redbubble. Offer custom AI-generated art commissions on Fiverr or Instagram. Create and sell NFTs on OpenSea or Rarible. AI-generated artwork is in high demand, and this method can turn into a serious passive income stream. 4. AI video editing and animation, sell AI-enhanced videos. Next, AI is making video editing faster and easier than ever before. If you've ever wanted to make money from video editing but thought it was too complex, AI has your back. Here's what you can do. Use Runway ML or Descript to edit videos instantly with AI-powered tools. Remove backgrounds, add captions, and enhance videos with AI automation. Offer AI-enhanced video editing as a service on Fiverr or Upwork. You don't even need high-end software. AI makes it possible to edit professional videos in minutes, and businesses are willing to pay for these services. 5. AI Voiceover Services, make money with AI voices. Did you know you can make money without ever using your own voice? AI voice generators like 11 Labs, Play.ht, and Muff AI create human-like voiceovers that sound incredibly real. Ways to earn. Sell voiceover services on Fiverr and Upwork for ads, explainer videos, and audiobooks. Create and sell AI-generated audiobooks on platforms like Audible. Offer AI narration services for YouTube channels. AI voiceovers are in high demand, and you can earn $50 to $200 per gig just by using AI to generate realistic voices. 6. AI chatbots and automation, earn with AI-powered customer service. Businesses are looking for ways to automate customer service, and you can cash in on this trend by setting up and managing AI-powered chatbots. Using AI chatbot platforms like ChatGPT, ManyChat, or BotSonic, you can build and sell custom chatbots for businesses. Many companies pay hundreds or even thousands for a chatbot that handles customer support. Offer AI automation services on Fiverr and Upwork. Monetize AI chatbots by charging businesses a monthly subscription for bot management. Companies are spending big money on AI automation, so why not tap into this growing market? 7. AI stock trading and investing. Use AI to maximize profits. AI isn't just for content and automation, it's also changing the way people invest. AI-powered trading bots and stock analysis tools like Trade Ideas, Tickeron, and TrendSpider help predict market trends, analyze stocks, and automate trading strategies. Here's how you can profit. Use AI-powered trading platforms to automate stock or crypto trades. Sell AI-generated stock market reports to investors. Create and sell a financial newsletter using AI-driven insights. AI stock trading can be highly profitable, but remember, investing always carries risks. Always do your research. So, which AI money-making method are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. AI is creating limitless opportunities to earn online in 2025, and the sooner you start, the better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI and money-making tips. See you in the next video.